Hello, we're going to continue with chapter 3, adjusting entries. We're going to take the second type of deferrals, which is deferred revenue. As we said in the previous video, we said we have 4 adjusting entries, 4 types: deferred expense, deferred revenue, accrued expense, and accrued revenue. Deferred expense, it means I paid in advance before the expense is incurred. Deferred revenue, it means I received money in advance before it's earned, before I provide the service or I deliver the product. Accrued expense, it means the expense is incurred, it's used, but I did not pay yet. I'm gonna pay in the future. Accrued revenue, it means the revenue is earned, I provided the service or I delivered the product, but I did not receive my money yet. So adjusting entries involve no cash. Okay, deferred expense I paid in advance, deferred revenue I received in advance. Accrued expense I'm gonna pay later, accrued revenue I'm gonna receive later. And in the adjusting entries, I need to debit an expense account or credit a revenue account. So for the deferred expense, it's gonna be expense to an asset decreasing in the credit side. Deferred revenue, I'm gonna decrease the liability account, which is unearned revenue, and I'm gonna credit service revenue or sales revenue. For the accrued expense, it's gonna be expense on the debit side to payable to liability account and the credit side. Accrued revenue, I need to credit revenue account, and the debit I need to debit an asset, which is receivables. I'm gonna receive my money later. So today we're gonna talk about deferred revenue. Deferred revenue occurs when a company receives cash before it does the work or delivers a product. So we receive the cash before the revenue is earned. So we call it unearned revenue. Unearned revenue. It's a liability account because I received the cash, but I did not provide the service or I did not deliver the product yet. So I have to do that. It's a liability on me. Now, on December 21st, a law firm engages Smart Touch Learning to provide e-learning services for the next 30 days, paying $600 in advance. So let's read it again. Here he's saying a law firm engaged with me, with my business, to provide e-learning services. I'm gonna provide the e-learning services. They paid to me. They paid $600, so I received $600 in advance. Okay, so again, the accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus equity. Assets increase in the debit, while liabilities and equity increase in the credit side. Now, I received cash in advance, so cash will go up. Cash, it's an asset account. Did I provide the service yet? No, I'm gonna provide it for the next 30 days. So we call it unearned revenue. It's not earned yet. I did not provide the service yet. So it's a liability account. It also increased because I just created this account. Okay, so cash will go to the debit, unearned revenue will go to the credit side. Cash, it's an asset account. Unearned revenue, it's a liability account. This is on December 21st. So it's not at the end of the period. It's not an adjusting entry. It's just a normal journal entry. Now I need to record an adjusting entry at December 31st. Okay? So now from December 21st until December 31st, it's only 10 days. Okay, I received $600 for 30 days. So I provided the service for 10 days. So what's gonna be the earned amount? It's gonna be 200. Okay, it's gonna be 200. This is the amount what earned. Earned means it's revenue. Okay, so what shall I do? I need to decrease the liability account. I recorded 600 in the credit side for the unearned revenue, and this is the liability account. Now I provided the service for 10 days, so I need to decrease this account by 200, the amount earned. So I still have 400. I need to provide the e-learning services for this law firm for the next 20 days. Okay, and the amount will be 400. Now for the service revenue, we're gonna record the amount what earned. It's earned, so it's revenue. So the entry will be a liability, which is decreasing at the debit side, and service revenue on the credit side. Okay, and the amount is earned, 200. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment. Please like, share, and subscribe.